Hi, I am Ancy. Welcome to Zero Budget Balcony Gardening. Today I am going to show you how I propagated a lemon plant from seed of this lemon. Let's collect the seed by cutting the lemon. I did a mistake by cutting at the center, by which I destroyed 2 seeds. It's better try not to cut at the center and then use a spoon to scoop off the seeds. I am attempting to grow 4 plants. I collected 4 seeds and I will wash them and I will dry it. The easiest way to take the seeds from lemon is by gently squeezing the juice off from the fruit. But the first method is recommended if you are not going to use the lemon juice immediately. The next step is cleaning the lemon seeds. I cleaned it with tissue paper. I rubbed it on a paper thoroughly to dry off the juice. After drying the seeds, you can peel off the outer skin of the seeds. This step will help to germinate the seeds faster. You have to be very gentle when you take off the skin. You shouldn't damage the seeds. You need to have a lot of patience for this step, and you should remove only the first layer of the seeds. The second layer of the seeds shouldn't be removed. If you are lazy to do this step, you can completely avoid it. The seeds will still germinate, but will take few more days. I removed skin of all the 4 seeds, and it took some time. If you dry the seed for 24 hours before you remove the skin, it would be a lot faster. Here, as it is a little bit wet with the lemon juice, it took a lot of time. This is how the lemon seeds should look like without the skin. The darker part is the rooting part. I am putting the seeds in this starting pot. I used some moist potting soil. I am planting all the 4 seeds. When you plant, make sure the darker part of the seed, that is the thinner part of the seed, should face the soil. Then put a thin layer of soil on top of the seed and press gently. Now we can water it. While you water, you must not soak it completely, but just keep it a little moist. Maximum twice a week of watering is enough for the lemon plant to grow. My plant is anyway staying in the balcony, so it is not exposed to sun a lot. After a couple of weeks, my lemon plants showed up. On the first day, there was only 1 lemon plant with 2 leaves. Other 3 were not came. I was very lucky that all the 4 plants germinated. This is a lemon with one leaf. The other one is a lemon which is not yet produced a leaf, and this is not lemon, but there is lemon in the middle. You see, that is a lemon, and this is a big lemon tree, not a tree. There are 4 leaves. The one plant on the side is a marigold. I don't know how it arrived there. So this is how my lemon trees look after a few weeks. I completely forgot that I planted lemon seeds there, and I suddenly saw these coming up. Sorry, there are other plants which was not my plan, as I forgot that I planted lemons there. I put things there. So anyway, I am very bad at separating plants. Wish me luck. I don't have courage to separate all of them. I am letting this little baby stay there. I'm going to just remove only the marigold. I hope you enjoyed my video. For updates and my other videos, please follow my channel by subscribing and clicking on the bell button. Also leave your comments so that I can improve my videos. Thank you for watching my video. Have a wonderful day. Bye.